Domino's Pizza has finally done it. They've actually brought something onto the menu which I have been really craving for many years, and that is a different type of crust that is something that's going to elevate the flavors to a whole other level and make it a lot more fun to eat pizza again. And I love pizza. I love Domino's Pizza in particular, and having stuffed crust now being announced by Domino's after I don't know how long I've been waiting for this. I think it's a great thing. I know other pizza companies like Pizza Hut, and I think maybe Little Caesars or Papa John's, I think they have had their version of it and it's good as well. But I've been waiting for Domino's to come out with their stuffed crust version, and I finally have it. They recently announced that they have finally answered the call of stuffed crust enthusiasts, I guess that would be me, with the nationwide launch of the Parmesan Stuffed Crust Pizza. This new offering features a buttery flavored dough filled with 100% mozzarella cheese and finished with a sprinkle of Parmesan and Domino's signature garlic seasoning. This is crucial because I really like the taste of the Domino's crust, and I think this is basically the same or similar taste but with the stuffed crust feature added onto it. So I think it's going to be good. Continuing on, Domino's says that we've heard the constant request for stuffed crust and we're thrilled to deliver what our customers have been waiting for. Domino's goes on to say that we believe our Parmesan stuffed crust is truly exceptional and we are confident it was worth the anticipation. A great thing about Domino's is they do have good consistency amongst their different stores nationwide, at least the ones that I've been to. I like that I can get Domino's pizza pretty much anywhere, and I know that if it's the same ingredients, the same pizza type, I know it's going to taste very similar, if not basically exactly the same. That's what I like about the quality control that Domino's has with the consistency of the flavors of its pizza and the quality of its ingredients. And Domino's themselves say that they do emphasize the quality and unique flavor profile of its new crust. We didn't just add cheese to any crust. We started with our premium handmade dough, incorporated our beloved garlic seasoning, which I love, and elevated it with real Parmesan. The taste speaks for itself, and I will speak for the taste as well when I have it, because I think if I have this Domino's pizza, there's not really much else that I would want. Actually, there is, and I'll get into that in a minute. Domino's is doing something else that I think it's pretty cool regarding the stuffed crust pizza announcement, and that is that they are actually celebrating and announcing National Stuffed Crust Week celebrations. So Domino's is also declaring March 3rd through March 9th, 2025. That's what Domino's is declaring to be National Stuffed Crust Week celebration, which is to mark the occasion. Customers can enjoy the one-topping Parmesan Stuffed Crust pizzas for $9.99 each through Domino's carryout deal, available through the celebratory week and beyond. Domino's invites everyone to indulge in the new Parmesan stuffed crust and experience what they believe is the ultimate stuffed crust pizza. So there you have it. Domino's stuffed crust pizza is now officially announced and available to order. I think it's going to be great. I think it's a great addition to their already fantastic menu. And don't forget, you can customize pizza from Domino's in a million different ways by mixing and matching all of the fresh ingredients that Domino's has to offer. And you can basically create your own unique flavor profile. And they also offer non-pizza items like pasta, desserts, breadsticks, And they also offer chicken wings, which is a hidden gem for Domino's. I think some people don't realize that they also offer chicken wings, which is a great thing to have in addition to having their pizza menu, their pastas, their desserts. You can get beverages from them, all delivered to your house, or you can go in and carry them out yourself and get a carry-out deal, which usually will save you a couple of bucks plus less also on you'll save on delivery as well. But yeah, Domino's Pizza is really hitting their stride. They have been for a long time, but now they basically checked off what I think is the stuffed crust wish that everybody had that really likes Domino's, because I know myself, whenever I wanted stuffed crust, I would have to go to other companies to get it. But now I can stick to Domino's if I want to and still get my stuffed crust. Now, one of the things that I do wish that Domino's would bring, and I think they may have had this before for a limited time, is maybe some variation of an additional type of crust, which is maybe a more healthier crust, like whole wheat crust, let's say, as an example, or some kind of whole grain crust that is more for people that are more health conscious and want a little bit less sugar, a little bit less carbs, a little bit less calories in the crust itself. Not because I'll speak for myself, not because I'm gonna go on a diet while eating pizza, but I do like to eat more than one pizza slice. I can never eat just one, so I wind up eating a bunch of slices, and it would be nice to have a crust that is not just the same calories as any other bread crust. So if Domino's can come up with that and make it taste good, which I'm sure they can, it's just a matter of, will other people buy it? And I know a lot of other people don't like whole grain or whole wheat crust. I'm probably one of the few people that do, but you never know. Maybe now it's different, and Domino's can perhaps bring back or revisit the whole grain crust and also combine it with the stuffed crust and really give us everything that we want, or at least everything that I want. So yeah, there you have it. Domino's Pizza really doing something great, announcing and surprising us with the stuffed crust. And I hope this is a trend that they continue to deliver and innovate on their flavors and continue to expand their product menu, because I think they are a great franchise, a great American company that a lot of people love and rely on for parties or just for getting food on a Friday night when you're at home or for any occasion. Domino's Pizza is a great way to feed your family, your friends for a variety of special occasions. And I'm thankful Domino's Pizza is still around and still providing good service. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget about Stuffed Crust Pizza Week, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully after I had a stuffed crust pizza for myself from Domino's.